We started the terminal here in 2018. We was working out of a modular trailer where our growth exploded since then. So new with this terminal, we have 24-hour access to the yard, actually access to the terminal.
We have showers that they can use now, the back door, they just punch in a code, they can come in, they can stay here. And something I really like is the new kitchen. We have cameras now, so if something gets stolen off their trucks, we can go back and look at the footage.
Valdosta really it's a great location. We're right off I-75, which is major because that's a huge interstate. We're probably, out of our competitors, I'm gonna say we're one of the best as far as largest in South Georgia, Florida. We do have a large fleet count here and a very large customer base that really, I would say, no other trucking company can really compete with.